Okay, I'm going to code without touching the keyboard here. I rehearsed this once before with the code, and this is the second time, for whatever reason, the screen recording is stopping. So I'm going to try it again. I've got Whisper, OpenWhisper for the dictation. That's better than the regular dictation with Talon Voice. And then I have Tobii Eye Tracker 5, and I'm still getting used to the commands. And still getting used to the shortcuts. I'm going to build more shortcuts as whatever. So I've replaced the regular dictation, which is awful, with OpenWhisper on this 8 gig video card laptop here. So Dictation Whisper, code me a balloon popping game where your mouse moves over the balloons and they pop. Be sure that the balloons come from the bottom and have strings and wave around a little bit. Whisper dictation. Dictation whisper. Clear left 4. 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 We're still recording, so that's good. Clear left 4. Clear left 4. Clear left 4. Clear left 4. Clear word. Clear word. Clear word. Clear left 5. Clear left 5. Clear left 4. Clear left 4. Clear left 4. Enter. I don't know any of the shortcut commands, so I had to take some liberties. Help alphabet. Help alphabet. Drag. Clear left 4. Still recording, so that's good. Mouse gaze. Grid off. I don't see anything popping here. Oh, it's still doing stuff. Clear line. Wheel gaze. This is the coolest part. You can just look at the code. It'll scroll for you. It's like, that's the killer feature for this. Is like, I could just look and it'll like scroll. They did a really good job with this. We're still trying to make the balloons better, I guess. JavaScript. Oh man. The sounds I'm making are to click. So you have things like clear line, wheel gaze, got cascading style sheets and everything. So yeah, I'm just, actually my hand's kind of messed up, so it's a good example. All right, so we've got our balloons. Look like not great. They're coming from the top. Did I say coming from the top? I'm actually accidentally popping them. I'm not even doing it, but the balloons look funny, so we're gonna go and fix that. I'm just actually using my eyes to look. So when you look first, and then you move your head to track, and they did a great job as far as like combining the two. There's other methods where you can look and then pop again to zoom. So when you pop, that zooms in, and then you can dial in more with the eyes. I think most people use that to actually get it going. Um, but this is pretty okay, I guess. That's just bad code, but you get the idea. You can do program things like I have one called the fruit that is the color. I can't tell it. It clicks a bunch of times. I'll say orange, orange, and it clicks like 15 clicks or something stupid. Like a macro. Orange, 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 orange. See, it's clicking all over. So that's pretty much it. You focus, focus, righty, duke, drag, duke, 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 drag, duke, duke. Anyways, that's pretty much it. There's basically combine this with OpenWhisper, and you've got a extremely powerful setup. Now I can pop OpenWhisper and have it also auto correct. So if I have any broken English, it automatically corrects it with my prompt. So at this point, you know, now we're doing dictation mode, I think, for some reason. This will give you an idea how slow the onboard dictation is. Clear line. Dictation mode. I'm going to say a sentence that is very short. It's all CPU. Command mode. Enter. Enter. Dictation whisper. I'm going to say a sentence that is very short. Dictation whisper. Boom. That was like half a second. So we need this, the whisper, OpenWhisper, like a with Talon Voice, and we're golden. I mean, I can't imagine anything needing anything else after this. We got the power of AutoHotkey. We can call AutoHotkey functions. We're done. We don't have to do anything. Click on whatever you want to click on. You get control key bindings. There's a few kind of wish list things on my wish list that I need, and other than that, the limitation is, again, it's the eye part. I mean, I can get my eye over here, pretty much way off on the screen that you can't even see, and I can get it over here. So drag, drag, drag. So this is kind of as far as that goes. As far as that goes. The bottom's easy. The top, not so much. The top is better. The farther back I am, the better. Really, it is. I can get all the way over to the left. It just gets harder to click towards the top. Dictation whisper. Write me a Flappy Bird game. Be sure that it's not too fast. Slow it down. It's always very fast. Dictation whisper. clear word, clear word, clear word, clear line. Oops. Write me up, Happy Bird. Enter. What are we cascading style sheets again? Wheel gaze. I can't really read this. Oh, that was something. But it's hard to, the eye tracking is hard because you want to move your head and you end up doing this number. You have to look first and sometimes look past what you're trying to click, and then it's easier to whatever. And I think if you blink, it resets it. So if you're trying to look and then you blink, it might reset it. There's some tips and tricks I need to figure out because it's like 95% there with the eye tracking. Like it's like even if I sit back, I can get it to be like almost from here to where I was drag all this whole real estate. I can pretty much comfortably do. So I think we're there. I think we're done with this task, I guess. What am I? Where's the right one? Flappy Bird game. Righty. Duke. Duke. Enter. Enter. Oh, good. Okay, never good at this. You get the point. But anyways, we're there, man. It's all over. AI and eye tracking and whatever. I don't even need to touch the keyboard anymore. I can be, Uber elite hack source. Take it easy.